There's Tim and his Raptor 350, and it just stalled. What, it run out of gas? Oh, yeah, let the fuel off. That's smart. Come on. Those bungee cords on the back aren't meant to tie anything on. That's if he takes it down the road to get something. It's a solid machine. Not bad for just a handful of hundreds. Did you hit the kill switch? Yeah. That sounds like Jeff. There we go. Nice. Good thing he knows how to control that, or I'd be dead by now. Yeah, that's only 350. I'm actually kind of impressed. Sounds like a bomb going off in the woods. No helmet, man. That's redneck. Redneck style all day, man. Yep, killed it again. Keeps hitting that kill switch. I hope he doesn't hit one of those sinkholes over there. There's quite a few. Right on the other side of that concrete. Between concrete and the woods. They almost stalled it. Keeps hitting that stupid kill switch, man. Oh, why did you shift it in a second for that? Whatever. That's great. It's only electric start though, so if battery dies, you're kind of screwed. Oh shit, he almost went right in the pump house. Play around them sinkholes, man. Something might happen. Come on, look at them. Almost took out the tractor. Oh, tractor almost took him out. The thing's a beast. Doesn't look like much, but it's solid. thing he doesn't drink. Here he goes, standing up again. He almost got me, I wasn't looking. Kind of get drawn in and looking through the viewfinder here. Alright, well that's Timmy, Timbo, Toby, whatever the hell you want to call him, and his Raptor 350. Just need some new tires and some plastic, and she's all set. Got to get the lights working too, but of course that's not something we're too concerned about at the moment. But there she is. All right, good deal.